Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channel thumbnails catch your eye instantly? With over 1 billion videos on YouTube, attention spans are shorter than ever. That's where creating captivating thumbnails comes into play. They're the tiny billboards that convince viewers to click and dive into your amazing content. This free online course will teach you how to leverage AI to design thumbnails with Canva that stop viewers in their tracks and keep them glued to their screens. But first, let's go over how this free online course came about. Allison Free Online Courses and how it works. Allison works by offering free, self-paced online courses created by experts, funded by ads and optional paid certificates. Users learn skills in modules, pass assessments, and download a free learner record or pay for official certificates to prove their achievement, all accessible via web or app. With millions of attention-seeking videos uploaded daily on YouTube, eye-catching thumbnails are the secret weapon in the battle for clicks on your content. Have you ever wondered how Mr. Beast's thumbnails grab so much attention? Do you want to discover the secret behind creating viral thumbnails? Find out this free online course as you learn from the design guru himself, Hamza Ruwan, who will guide you through creating viral YouTube thumbnails. First, we introduce you to ChatGPT's DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, exploring their interfaces and writing effective prompts to design a quality YouTube thumbnail. Through ChatGPT's DALL-E 3 image generation and the user-friendly design platform, Canva, you will learn to develop new skills and techniques. With each lesson building on the previous one, Hamza designs a series of thumbnails while also having fun. This is a 1.5 to 3 hour long course, which is CPD accredited. This is an intermediate level course. Being certified in how to create YouTube thumbnails allows you to lend out your services as a digital artist to others through Fiverr or social media platforms, making this a nice side hustle to have. The course will describe in detail how to use various tools and features on Canva for image editing. It will also identify the limitations of exporting images from ChatGPT as compared to Midjourney. You will start to recognize the elements of a thumbnail that make it stand out and make viewers want to click on it. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below.